Here I am, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours. And that time I went and said goodbye. Now I'm back.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today is an UKAY-UKAY or thrift challenge. Now, I actually didn't know what video to make for this week. Just wanted to go UKAY-UKAY or thrift shopping. But the thing is, I didn't really have a lot of money. I don't have a big budget because wala pang sweldo besh. And suddenly I thought, why don't I challenge myself to make a whole outfit under 300 pesos, or I guess under $6. So I shop in Makati Cinema Square, and if you guys don't shop there, then you wouldn't know that it's kind of expensive there compared to other UKAY-UKAY or thrift stores. I'm not sure why that is. So I'm going to share with you how I came up with my whole outfit and what I managed to not get under the budget. So the first shop that I went to, meron kasing shop in Makati Cinema Square that sells only bags, or like an UKAY-UKAY store that sells only bags, and they're known for just selling bags. So luckily, I think it was 70% off that time. So I was able to get a big discount on the bag that I bought. But when I was looking through the bags, I actually couldn't find anything I liked at first. I did end up buying a bag, and it is this bag. And you guys, I bought this for only 100 pesos. That is so cheap. It's basically, I think, $2. And I didn't realize it when I was buying it. I only realized it when I went home. But it's actually H&M. It used to be 380 pesos, but because the shop was on, if not 60%, 70% off, I only got it for 100 pesos. So that was sort of the anchor to my whole outfit. And then I decided to go to different stores. Now this one, the rest of the outfit was hard to find. I was going around Makati Cinema Square and I found this one shop which was also on sale. They had tops for 4 for 100, I think, 4 for 100 pesos. But I couldn't really find the top that I liked. The other side, which was like the pants, the jeans, and all of that, were kind of on 50 pesos.
Here I am, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours. And that time I went and said goodbye. Now I'm back.
So I found a pair of jeans, which I'm actually wearing now because I love them so much, for only 50 pesos, and they looked like boyfriend jeans. So when I tried them on, I super loved it because it looked good. The pants, if I haven't mentioned, was 50 pesos. Finally, I went to the last shop that I visited in Makati Cinema Square, but they weren't on sale, which I was thinking, oh no, how much do I have left if I buy a blouse here? And I tried on different tops. I was about to give up, but I ended up finding this top. It is this polka dot blouse, which is like 3/4 sleeve, and the sleeve is kind of poofy, and it has this tie detail, so it looks like you have a necktie or a neck scarf going on. Unfortunately, medyo mahal siya. It was 80 pesos, which is kind of expensive considering that the other shops were 4 for 100. But guys, I did cheat and fail on one part of the outfit. I wasn't able to buy shoes kasi I couldn't find anything that I liked. And honestly, dahil ang mahal nung top, I couldn't find anything that fit the budget. was how I came up with this entire outfit under 300 pesos. My total is My total is 230 pesos. 30 for like a blouse, a purse, and jeans. I think that's still a win. So yes, that is my very short ukay-ukay or thrift challenge. Everything for under 300 pesos. What did you guys think of my outfit? Did it look okay? Was it okay? Did I look fine? Do I look funny? Let me know by leaving me a comment down in the comment section below. And if you guys have any other like ukay-ukay hauls or challenges, thrift hauls or challenges that you want me to do, please leave it in the comment section below so I could know that you want me to do that and try to do that for you. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button down below. I try to make a video every week. And I think that's it. So thank you for watching, guys. This is, I think, a short one, but hopefully you enjoyed it. And I guess I will see you on the next one.